Welcome to Ohio University Library's Guide for International Students. This video will act as a helpful tool for international students to assist them in navigating the resources available at university libraries. At the beginning of the fall semester, Alden Library organizes an orientation session for international students that covers the library's resources, spaces, and services.
Libraries differ all over the world. The country you come in from might have a different library system than what exists in the American academic library system. We also have specialized workshops on the library website and request library orientation instruction.
At first, I came to the library and looked through all the books, and it was challenging for me. And I talked to one of the librarians in the university. They taught me how to do requests, and that was really helpful for me.
From the databases, the Ohio link, even how to identify articles just by the word, very easy. The librarians themselves are a good resource.
Subject librarians have responsibilities for different disciplines.
Subject librarians are readily available to help students within their major or other class topics. On the Subject Librarian website, students can check which subject librarian can help them with their topic and get their help via the chat function, email, or by booking an appointment.
The library has an international collection on the first floor of Alden Library. We also have what we call depository collections on the first floor. We have African materials, but those are shelved in the normal stacks, the 6th and 7th floor. So Ohio University is known for its international collections.
For many students, Interlibrary Loan is a very helpful tool for borrowing articles, books, dissertations, and more from other libraries.
If there's a book or an article you're looking for, we can also refer you to Interlibrary Loan, where we can get materials from all over the world.
If students need to access full-text articles from scholarly publishers but are running into a paywall, they are able to do so with LibKey, which helps facilitate direct access to full-text articles.
Sometimes you meet paywall, and then the access from the Ohio University really enabled me to access all of those international journals.
Thank you for watching Ohio University Library's Guide for International Students. There are plenty more resources available to international students. Just check out the Ohio University Library's website or head to Alden Library to explore.